I was just homophobically abused every single week. Some people would say things to me on the street. One actually spat on me, and that literally was my norm. My name is Jules Von Hep, and I'm the founder of self-tanning brand Isle of Paradise. Isle of Paradise is about easy to achieve glow, no smells, no streaks, no fuss. It mimics vacation skin, and that really is what Isle of Paradise is. It is the best vacation of your life. I remember the first time looking at Isle of Paradise on the shelves in a Sephora store, and I'm pretty sure I might have had an out-of-body experience actually looking back. This little brand that came from there is in here. Sephora's like the best dinner party you've ever been to. It is the best beauty retailer in the world. So many people don't know that before Isle of Paradise launched, I was carrying my own baggage. I grew up in a town where it was hard. It was hard being gay. That constant struggle with my sexuality had huge knock-on effects to my confidence, and I think that's when the loneliness started with my body. I went through all of our family photos and tore so many of them up and burnt them because I just hated how I looked. I hated that person. I felt so low when I was 18. I started self-harming and developed anorexia. It was just such a challenging time. I just went down such a suicidal path. I spent 20 years hating my body. I spent 20 years hating who I was. I spent 20 years just trying to fit in with everybody else around me when actually I just needed to fit into my own skin. And then I sat down and I thought, Jules, you have two choices. You can either lie here in this ash of all your past trauma, or you can set yourself on fire and you can rise like the phoenix that you are. I didn't say to my mum when I was a child, Mum, I want to be a spray tanner, but it was a job that kind of found me. I became addicted to making other people feel great. I was working with A-list celebrities, some deemed the most beautiful people in the world, and it was the same uniform apology. I hate my thighs, I hate my boobs, I'm so sorry about this insert body part. People would say, will this spray tan make me thinner? And just that constant question of, will I be different, made me realize that actually it's not about being different. Who you are is absolutely better than enough. Everybody has a body hang up in some way, and we are all on our journey together. Wherever you are on your journey, live your life to the absolute fullest, and go out there and own your glow, babe.